Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at our weekly spot. We are back at the pub, about to get into the best deals that you can do this week. Y'all know how I do around here. We're not going to waste any time. Let's jump right into it. All right, y'all. So I'm actually not grabbing much this week, but the stuff that I am grabbing is going to be really good. So this is going to be mainly a best deals video for me. But the first deal I actually grabbed, this is going to be a clearance deal. So check your stores. You want to check on the shelf. You want to check the clearance table to see if they have these Dove Acne Clears. My store actually did not have a tag on these, but you guys, these are on clearance for $5.99 at a lot of stores. So I went up to customer service just to double check the price, and this was $5.99 for this Dove Serum Body Wash. So I'm going to go ahead and get 5 of these, and let me show you why. So on Ibotta, we have this Dove Serum Body Wash rebate for $3.50 on each bottle with a limit of 5, and these babies do qualify for that rebate. So $5.99 minus that $3.50, that already brings them down to $2.50. And in the Publix Extra Savings Flyer, we have these $1 store coupons. So we're going to use both of those savings. We got $1 in store coupon savings plus the $3.50 from Ibotta. We will save $4.50 on each bottle, and they're $5.99. So each one of these is just going to be $1.49. Yes, y'all, a definite stock up price for Dove. And this deal got even better after I scanned in my receipt to fetch rewards, because I also didn't realize that we have a spend 15, get back $2 on Unilever products that does apply to Publix. So I got back another $2 from Fetch Rewards I wasn't anticipating. After that $2 back, that took off an additional 40 cents per bottle. That made these only $1.09 each. And I'm only 5 cents short from hitting my next reward for next $2, because this came up to $29.95. So I'm definitely going to grab at least one more bottle to get that additional $2 back from Fetch for $4 back total. And then to hit my midweek Ibotta bonus, I'm going to need 3 more offers after I get this 5 bottles of Dove. So what I'm going to grab is 3 of these flour tortillas. You could also get any of these taco shells. If I was to get these crunchy ones, they would actually be a little bit cheaper, but we prefer the flour tortillas. So these are buy one, get one for $2.99. So 3 of them is going to be $4.50. And then I'm going to get back 50 cents on each one on Ibotta. So that's going to make each pack $1. So that extra $2 that I'll get from the midweek bonus will help lower the cost of these body washes. So let me show you the receipt for this transaction. I got the 5 Dove body washes and the 3 Old El Paso tortillas. So it came up to $29.43 after my $1 coupon. So $2 digital coupon that we have for the Dove didn't come off on these, so I paid out the $29.43. But I'm getting back a total of $24 from Ibotta. I had $19 in offers plus my $5 bonus. And I also got back the $2 from Fetch. So that made all of these products only $3.43, or like 42 cents a piece. The laundry deals are hot this week, specifically on Arm & Hammer products. So these are buy one, get one for $5.99 at my location. The price could vary at your location. It could be a little bit lower, a little bit higher, but $5.99 BOGO. If you live in a state other than Florida, you can just pick up one of these for $2.99. Then use this $2 digital coupon. That'll make 1 bottle of laundry detergent just 99 cents. And of course, to my Florida people, when you guys pick up 2, you'll save $2 with your digital. It'll make each one of your bottles $1.99. Next product, I have been wanting to try this, is the Arm & Hammer Rinse. So these are buy one, get one for $7.49. If you live in a state other than Florida, you can pick up one for $3.75. Use this $2 digital coupon in your Publix app. That'll leave your price in store at $1.75 to pay at the register. But then we're going to scan over to Ibotta for $1.50 back. It is going to make final cost for this baby just 25 cents, which of course is a buy price. One of my favorite deals this week definitely is on the Jimmy Dean's breakfast bowl. So this is a deal that I am going to grab. So these are on sale for $2.50 each, and you don't have to buy 4, even though they're on sale for $10. You can pick them up in any denomination and they will be $2.50. So we're going to pick up 3 of them for $7.50. We love the Jimmy Dean's Delight Bowls. These are so good. So I'm going to grab 3 of these. These is going to total us up to $7.50. We got our 5 off of 3 coupon in the extra savings flyer. You want to grab this physical coupon in the front of the store and hand it over to your cashier, or type in this code at self-checkout to let that $5 come off. That is going to make final cost on these just $2.50 for all 3, or just 83 cents each. Last week we got the smaller Pillsbury biscuits for free. This week the bigger ones are on sale, so it's a small cost for these, but still a really good deal. These are buy one get one for $3.29. We have $1 off of 2 digital coupon if you didn't use it last week, and we also have $1 back on 2 on Ibotta. That brings them down to $1.29 for 2. And you want to scan over to Fetch Rewards. If you have some offers there, you can bring it down cheaper. So next deal we're going to be grabbing is another deal that I'm loving this week, and this is on the trolley candies that are buy one get one for $3.19, and the Mountain Dews. The Mountain Dews are not on sale. These are $2.69, but we do have a coupon, a BOGO coupon on these products. When you pick up 2 of them, this BOGO coupon is taking off $2.99 for the Mountain Dew. And again, these are $2.69. So I'm going to pick up 2 of each because I have 2 of these buy one get one coupons. You will have either 1 or 2, just depending on if you clip your coupons every week. But if you clip your coupons every week, then you should have 2 of these babies and you can double up on this deal. If you just have 1 coupon, then just get 1 set of these babies. And if you're in Florida, remember to buy your items in even numbers. So this will be $8.67 after the buy one get one sale on the candy. Each one of these buy one get one coupons is going to take off $2.99. So at the register, I'm going to have to pay out $2.59 for all 4 of these items, you guys. That makes each one of these items just 64 cents each, which of course is a great price. My teenage son is going to be very pleased. So this was everything that I picked up in my second transaction, you guys. This worked out so beautifully. So for all of these items, after my coupons came off at the register, I paid out $10.12. But then I got back $2.50 from Ibotta, making this whole transaction right here just $7.62. Yes, y'all. We have a good deal on checks this week if this is a product that you like. So these are buy one get one for $5.99. I have $1.75 in digital coupons that would apply, and we also have 50 cents back on each box on Ibotta. After that double savings, that'll make 2 boxes just $3.24, or $1.62 per box. You can also scan over to Fetch Rewards. If you're a fan of Cheez-It crackers, we have a similar deal that we had last week on the Townhouse and the Club crackers that were buy one get one. This week you can grab the Cheez-Its. So we have the $1.25 off of 2 printable coupon on the Kellanova website, and these are on sale for $4.02. So pick up 2 boxes and then use that $1.25 off of 2 printable coupon, and that is going to make these $1.38 per box. These will also track for our spend 15 get $5 rebate, but I learned last week the hard way that that is not tracking the pre-BOGO price even on an old system store. So if you want to do that deal, you will have to get enough so that it's $15 after the buy one get one sale. Dawn is on sale for $4.99, and this also counts for our spend 50 get a $10 Publix stocking spree rewards. So if you do need Dawn, we do have $2 coupons on the Power Suds and the Power Wash in our Publix app. So in-store costs after those coupons will be $2.99, but after the tracking for stocking spree would actually be a little bit cheaper if you need this product. We have a good deal on Bounty products, so you could grab these babies right here, and the Charmin is also included, or you could grab these packs right here that are $17.99. This week when you buy 2, you're going to get $15 off at the register. No coupons that I know, but this is also another product that does count for a stocking spree. So if you were to grab some of the Dawn and grab some of these, you got some hefty stocking spree credit to get towards that $50. Just 2 packs of these is going to be like $35. Plus some Dawn, you are well on your way to a $10 gift card. So 2 of these would be $35.98 minus your $15 off. At the register, you would have to pay out $20.98. $0.98. And if you're on the old system, you will probably get the credit for stocking spree for that $35. But if you're on the new system, not quite sure how that's going to look on your receipt. But on the old system, that's really good. So $20.98 is what you're actually going to pay. That makes each pack of these $10.49. This week, we got a couple different deals on the Quilted Northern for you to consider. One is on the 12 equals 48 mega roll. So these are the huge packs. These are on buy one, get one for $19.59. If you go on the Quilted Northern website and you sign up for coupons, you will get a $1.50 coupon that is good for these. So that'll bring it down to $16.59 for two of these, or make them like $8.30 a pack. Or you could also grab two of these little babies right here. This is the 6 equal 24 mega roll. So this pack is half the size of this pack, but it is also a much cheaper price. These are only $6.50 each. So when you pick up one of these and then use this $1.50 printable coupon, this is also good. It's good on 6 mega rolls or larger. So it's good on this as well. That makes these packs just $5 a pack. So if you need paper, you can just choose which one works for you. You got $8 a pack for these or $5 a pack for these. You could just pick what works for your budget. This week, the Colgate toothpaste is buy one, get one for $4.99. We do have a $2 digital coupon. So if you're in a half BOGO state and you just pick up one, you can get one for just 50 cents. If you're in Florida and you have one $2 digital coupon, they would be $1.50 each, which I would not recommend paying. This week, the Bob Evans side dishes are actually buy one and get one, even though my store was not tagged. It was marked 2 for $9. But when you take these up to the register, I went up to customer service and checked these. They are ringing out for buy one, get one. So each one is only $2.75. If you're on the old system and half BOGO, you could pick up 3 of them because they're $5.50 and you would get that pre-BOGO credit for this 3 off of 15 digital coupon that we have, this threshold coupon. So you could pick up 3 of them and that would get you to enough to use this 3 off of 15. So that would be $16.50 before the sale. You're only going to pay half of that because of the buy one get one sale. That'll put you at $8.25. Minus that $3 coupon, it'll be $5.25 for 3 of them at the register. When we divide that up, that makes them $1.75 each. But then check and see what you have as far as your Ibotta rebate. I have 25 cents back on each one. So that means I would get 25 cents off of each one, making them just $1.50 a piece. Now, I'm not going to pick these up because I don't believe that we would eat them, but $1.50 is not. These Once Upon a Farm packs, these are buy one, get one for $10.39. If you can just pick up one and you clipped your $2.50 digital coupon, this will be just $2.67, which is a great price compared to the $10 regular. The Wonder Take products are buy one, get one for as low as $3.25, and we do have Ibotta rebates that vary in amount. I have $1 back on 2, so that would make final cost $2.25 for 2 boxes or $1.12 each, but you may have a higher or a lower value, so just check and see what you have. I forgot to go film the Klondike bars, but these are buy one, get one for $4.79. Pick up 2 boxes and then submit over to Ibotta for $1.50 back. It'll make final cost $3.29 for 2 boxes or $1.64 each. So I ended up doing one more transaction, but it was very similar to my second transaction, so I won't bore you guys with that. But I did want to mention that I did get these Scrub Daddy microfiber cloths for free with the Publix promise, because I know you may see them in my cart. These were marked down to $1.91 on clearance, but it was the wrong tag for this product. So they rang out for the full price of $7.99 at the register, and I ended up getting the product for free because of the incorrect tag with the Publix promise. So that worked out beautifully for me. And in my last transaction, I just picked up all of the items that I got in that second transaction, plus a bottle of Dove body wash so that I could get that second $2 back from Fetch, and that transaction worked out good. I ended up paying like $5 after my rebates back for that. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.